I'm in the middle of training my hair so I don't have to wash it as much. And I was supposed to wash it last night. Like that was like my day to wash it. And I just wasn't feeling it. So I woke up this morning and the ends are not bad, right? Okay, but look at the top of my head. So anyways, I'm going to show you the power of this dry shampoo stuff that I make. It smells like cookies. So here's a before. And now let's put the dry shampoo in. Just gonna give it a little tap, and I like, this is way too much, so I put it on the lid, and then I just use whatever's on the lid. So that's probably all I'll use for my entire head. This is still a lot, so I'm gonna go really lightly. Like, look how much that is. Eee. Now I'm gonna make a line. This is really hard one-handed, but you're gonna go, you just wanna go on the roots. My God, it is, literally looks wet. Okay, this is way too much, but that's okay. I'm gonna rub it in. My hair's really greasy. Okay, so we're gonna just keep going like this, and I'm just gonna go around my whole head and do that. Because it's so oily, I'm just gonna put a little bit on the top too. My hair is clean, it's just my hair gets oily so fast. Like it's been literally like maybe 3 days. This looks like I've had this like for 2 weeks. That's why I'm training my hair, because this is ridiculous. I shouldn't get this oily this fast. So anyways, I'm gonna brush that all in, and you really want to like massage it in as you do it. And I didn't show that, so just massage it in like that. And then the last thing is I flip my hair down, and I'm just gonna massage everything in. Now we're gonna brush. This is the best brush ever. Like I just messed up my whole hair, and look how easy it's going through. Now I just want to say, this is not supposed to be like instead of washing your hair. It's just like in betweens, because I'm gonna wash my hair tonight, but I don't want to walk around with my hair like that. And look how much better. Like it's still obviously like greasy, but it doesn't look as bad. Like here, I'll show you the before again. So here's a before, here's the after. So, I mean, it's way better. And what's funny is like, if you like throughout the day and stuff, I'll keep smelling like cookies. And I'm like, why do I smell cookies? And I forget this stuff smells so good. So I'm going to list the recipe for you guys here.